Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to give hover effect on button using CSS. So what this means is when we hover over a button and if we want to change the background color of that button, then how we can achieve this. So this is the query, this is the question which we will look the answer for. So I will move to the HTML document. So currently it is a blank document. I will create button here. So a normal button. I will give the text of the button as submit. I will create similarly 4 buttons. I have given here some basic style for the button, that is padding, margin, font size 40 pixel. I will save the HTML document. I will run in the browser. So currently we have 4 buttons here. Hover effects currently it is not there. Currently nothing is happening on hover. It is just changing a little bit color, but if we want to change the color when the button is hovered, then how we can do that? So for that, firstly we have to create a style here. So I want to give a hover to button, so I will give the button here first, then I will create a class. For example, I will give here red style, and then I will type as hover. Background color I will give as red. I will save this. So this is the button element, this is the class, and this is the hover effect. So this class we will apply to the first button. I will save the document and I will run it in the HTML browser. So I have refreshed the page. So first button we have given the class, so it has been applied the hover effect of background color as red. The other buttons are still the same. So in this way you can apply a hover effect by using a hover. If I want some different color, so what I will do is I will create another style. Say for example we want green color. I will apply this class to the second button and I will save and run in the browser. Wait. Yeah, here I have given it as green now. It was red. I will again refresh the page. This is green now. So this is red, this is green. So based on styles, based on classes, we have given different background colors. In same way, we have applied the class. So I can give another class here, for example, purple style. And I will create another style here. That is purple style. Here I have the purple color. We'll save the document. I will refresh the page. So this is purple now. Last one is still the same. This is purple, this is green, this is red. So we can give different various colors based on the design of the page. But this is the basic summary of how to apply a hover effect on a button. Firstly, we have to use the button element here, then the class name, and then the colon, and then the hover. And whatever style we have to give between this curly braces. So we can give here text also. We can change the text color also. We can give any style actually. So this is how we apply the hover effect. Thank you for watching.